Hello guys, good morning. I'm gonna do the market open update. Let's start with the daily time frame. So yesterday on candle close, we put a pretty bullish candle, a green engulfing candle with a wick to the downside. But so far, we have started the day seeing a rejection from around 98K. Focuses on the daily RSI. You can see that it's starting to expand. We've been going multiple days just flat on the RSI, which is crazy, and it started expanding in here. Then we had this low, and at the moment I would love to see the RSI daily to close higher than this and continuing to put higher highs, expanding towards the upside, potentially giving us that channel to the upside that hopefully eventually is going to break against that daily global resistance. Let's go into the 4 hours. Let's see what's the new development there. I got something to share with you that I think I forgot to do yesterday. Probably I was so tired and I didn't notice. But this resistance there, remember, we expressed that we fake out to the upside. I remember saying that we went all the way here, and then this moved down into the previous range, and the due diligence for that event is to grab this global resistance and at least make a copy of that or replace it to this area. That is what we usually do. I tend to do a copy so to keep track of the previous one, but now on the phone I'm just gonna move it and then I'm gonna make a copy. But you can see that all we did yesterday was to rally against resistance. So the theme yesterday in my live stream and in the update around the evening was that now that we broke down, we need to be careful with that resistance. We pinch slightly higher, which is bullish, but we couldn't manage to break the new global resistance to the upside. As you can see, we got stopped right there on spot on the 4-hour time frame. And to me, there is some sort of shift here, okay? I want to acknowledge that in terms of bullishness, because even though we broke down, we re-entered the previous range and we are still testing and hammering that ceiling. So it feels like the bulls are struggling to do it, but they haven't given up. That's my point. So I'm keeping an eye. I'm not giving up yet, and not gonna give up at this area because I'm low volume. So if it fails, I let it fail and I enter lower. That's my plan, you know that. Let's go into the liquidity. Some new developments in the liquidation pools that I want to share. So you know that we've been pretty much trading the range in the past few days. First, with my entry around here at 95.2, then we hit the 94 that we were kind of expecting to go and take that one. I was doubting that the W pattern was really going to hold around this area, and we still went to 94. And now we are building this new block there. So it's pretty much helping the market maker to trade a range that is actually widening up in terms of volatility. You can see that we go to 94 and then we go to 98. Potentially we go now to 93.5. And on the top end, let's focus on what's going on there, because that could give us a ride into the upside. And you can see that once we got into around 98, new shorts are entering around the 100 to 101. So if my target initial, the conservative one of 101, now play out, it's becoming a lot more attractive, right? It was already attractive, and now with this new move to 98, it's tempting more shorts to do that. So if we were able to take that 98, 97 resistance, which is the point of control, is tough, guys, because we are approaching it from below, and there are bearish news, there are the tariffs, but at the same time, the shorts are exhausted, and at the same time, the general markets are not yet selling off and overreacting in any way to that. So that's why I think we still have those chances. I'm gonna leave it on the table with a chance of maybe 70% that we go to at least 101. I can be wrong, sure. Don't take this as financial advice. And remember, in the past year, I have possibly needed to add to my long once or twice being wrong, and one time I needed to add and I couldn't even get to that level that I wanted. So I'm counting this as I needed to add as well. Just for your information, because I have high win rate in terms of exiting in profit, but I have a couple of deals there, here and there, where I needed to add to get myself out. Of course, doing TA whenever I add a safety order again. All right, guys, if you appreciate the update, these short updates, like and write down a comment down below, and I'll see you later. Today, I'm recording a video with Coin Bureau about trading bots, so make sure you don't miss that one. It's not gonna go to Coin Bureau Trading, it's gonna go to Coin Bureau Plus, I think is the extension. So don't miss that. Probably gonna come out today or tomorrow, but I'm recording in an hour. After that, I'll do the full video, the main video of the day. So I'll see you there. Take care. Bye-bye.